I love Hanoi. So pretty. It's so sunny.
Không làm nên nó sợ đấy cho ông đầu ông chết tiền.
The sun's beginning to rise, and yeah, you can hear the chickens roar. So nice. I literally woke up at 4:30 today because of these freaking chickens. Like, bro, it isn't even time for me to wake up yet. But yeah, today's gonna be busy. We're planning to head to Thái Nguyên, Việt Trì, and Thanh Ba, which is very, very busy, very, very jam-packed. But yeah. Where are we going with this car? Padang first, and then go straight to Thái Nguyên. Look at the color.
Phát triển điều ảo là
ăn nó mềm hơn ấy, ăn nó mềm. Lưỡi lợn nó vừa đắt lắm mà lại vừa chính giờ là nhiều người ta
Vin, what are you doing, Vin?
Tôi biết là ông mua cái nào.
Vin, you're such a massive head.
qua đấy vào.
Kiểu phù hợp với hệ thống, còn năm ngoái của ông về thì thuế là nó cứ bằng không, chắc là ông thuế nó cũng bằng cái neo. Đây qua chợ đường tàu thôi là đến luôn. Đến chỗ cái ô kìa, đấy cái xe nó đỗ kìa, đấy là. Đấy đúng rồi, con bé là đèo xe máy đi trên đường nhập đấy. Nếu mà bạn ở nhà đấy. Đến có này đã cú rồi sẵn sàng nói là đưa gọi xong, đưa gọi đến đi đâu rồi nào.
Have you tried this?
Đấy là không để sớm đâu. Đấy là ở bên Việt Nam là nó để mỗi cũng nghỉ ra nó cũng phải tầm 8 giờ.
Look at that, dude.
Ê, cháu.
Oh, it's so sunny. It's so nice. Bro, come on, you look retarded. This is sugarcane. Yeah. Sweet.
Nhưng cô cho lên đó. Nhưng mà nó biết rồi sao đây là
tương lai lớn nhất trên chắc lầu cư là mua cư lầu luôn.
Where are we headed?
Sơn là vẫn ở trên chỗ chân ông.
We are headed to Việt Trì, which is where Ong's younger
nó chưa
brother
kéo quá
lives.
sao đấy ông? Nó chưa kéo
Ông is grandma.
nó lại rơi ra.
Guess the song.
Để xem trai bác thì
Chính xác cũng
Kinh tế là nó thay đổi.
nói thế nhưng mà vừa đẻ con nhau nhắc rồi để ngoài nó trông cho nó bố mẹ chồng. Sao mà bây giờ đi học được nó.
So do you remember when you were born?
nước mía. Nước mía.
Red. Smooth like mom is on your mother.
And then there's mía.
Ốc chả ốc. Cho vào ống trúc.
À thế à? Là ở trên quê của ấy à? Đây này. Này là quá trời đấy rồi. Tốt.
Wait. This channel. What are your thoughts? Let me try it. Ngon. Con đang ăn. Hả? It's not bad. Hey. Dang, you're so curious.
Hả?
Now arrive at brought back. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So dry.
Ăn nhanh vậy bà có đi gì không?
No, hay. There should be something called quay phở. Phở quay.
Not too bad. I mean, look at this. Massive.
I don't get how they cut it like this. Oh, did they even cut it? The one that we went to last time, Dad didn't even finish my bowl. That one was actually good.
Then why didn't you finish?
I was full.
Wow.
Đi làm kia sơn thôi.
Very sunny but cold. This bang down. So good. Clothes shopping. Anh ba.
Quan tâm là gì? Bằng cách mình có tiền mình xử lý của mình. Nó không động gì đến của mình đó. Gà con cái nữa, con đàn nó gọi điện. Nào, mở cái nào thì mở cái đấy, còn đâu còn cái nào không có cái nào mở.
Before we had pho gà, now it's ball. That. Any pho in Vietnam is good.
The rest of them had.
I've only had it 3 times. And the place near nhà ông nội, we still haven't eaten there yet. So I can't really say much right now. But let's be honest, in comparison with any other countries, this. Alright. I'll give you the teeth. Đi sang kia. Nhanh. And then I'll take a bite of this. This is 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐤𝐚𝐢𝐸. Happy dance.
This is like your favorite color.
Yo, what is it?
First class meat.
Say something.
Đi về thành tờ 500.
I'm zooming up on your face.
Thế thì đến bây giờ lại mua cái phần đề về sau là cả hai vợ chồng thì nó lại ở phía ngoài.
Phải chấp nhận.
Wow, look at this decoration. Don't you agree? It's just so pretty. I'm crying. Money this Korea. Eating a Vietnamese apple. Like honestly, the Vietnamese apples so much more different than the apples we have in New Zealand. This is fresh Vietnamese durian. Me personally, I am not going to debate with people about this, but me personally, I think it's pretty good. Most people are honestly just ticked off by the smell. I don't think it smells that bad. It tastes pretty good. Last time we came, we completely forgot to buy any, and we remembered like very last minute, like literally the day before we flew back. And then my grandpa, my old note, he was like, okay, next time you come, I'm gonna give you durian, 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐤𝐚𝐢𝐸, which is basically like, I don't know how to say it, like returning your favorite kind of, but there is the significant what would you call it, not figure but building, I think. Let's go! As you can see, there's actually a lot of people here today. Well, not like a lot, but a lot of people who are here to take photos. Go on this side. Hey, it's going on YouTube and it's going on your digital profile. Bro. Anyways, very pretty, very busy.
Got that apple, take that. Got that apple.
There they are. So pretty, bro. So pretty. You see what I see? The famous Note coffee bowl. I didn't know it was like here. Bro, what the heck?
Oh my god!
Hey. I love Hanoi.
When we go back to the house, you're gonna do a reef.
Look at the dog. Let's keep going. Woo. It's actually really sunny. Like I'm actually starting to it's starting to get warmer. No. Yeah. It's really pretty today. It would be a lot more prettier on maybe weekends. A lot more busy. Yeah. Look at that big beautiful building. Oh my goodness. We don't even have it in New Zealand, so this is like culture shock. Oh my god.
Just a little free.
Yeah, along with this.
If you bought that in Vietnam right now, you would have so big. There's still some more inside. You gotta look at it.
It's a lot sweeter than back in New Zealand.
It smells it from the inside.
is Vincom Center. So pretty. What is that? Damn thing. It's Bam Bam. Oh my god, Bam Bam. And then Ving literally spent what, almost $30 New Zealand dollars
To get through Jubits.
Crazy, bro.
No, we won the wrong one. We never won on this one.
Too bad. Damn, bro. A little bit of time to shop. I don't know how long it's been, honestly, because we were out for quite a while. And this is not the only clothes we bought. Okay, there's still more. Like if you look inside here, I have this, which I've been wearing ever since I bought it. We bought it. And then I have a bunch of clothes that were given to me. Holy damn, it's actually so much. So like we have a whole bag of this. And these are my clothes. Oh wow, this is another bag. These are my clothes which I bought from New Zealand. So we actually have a lot. It's okay. Why not? Why not? This is a lot though. I love Vietnam Netflix. Oh my god, like I can watch Lovely Runner. Look at these grapes. They look so old. They're all wrinkled. Ha 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 ha. Woo! This is what like some home.
From the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause